The climber must select a rope, a hitch, a tether, and a micropulley. The rope may be of varying types. There is a difference in material and diameter. Here we have a static kern mantle, which has low stretch and a thin diameter. This, for example, is a 16 strand. Here we have two types of double braids of different diameters. These ropes all have different characteristics and interact differently with the hitch cord that you may use. The hitch cord can be of many different materials and diameters. It can be heat resistant or not. It can be tied in a multitude of ways. The hitch may work fine on one rope, but be ineffective on another, even when tied in exactly the same way. It is important that the hitch will engage even after repetitive loosening. This is a poorly tied hitch. It will only engage when manually set. This is an example of a well-tied hitch. The tether is also important. The climber can choose from different types depending on preference. The length may depend on the size of the hitch you choose. You may choose to have a carabiner as a quick link. You must be very careful that if the tether becomes tangled in the wrench, it does not interfere with hitch function. This is an example of what can happen when the tether gets tangled in the nose and the tether is the wrong size. This tether is okay. The best way to ensure safe climbing is to eliminate slack entirely. Slack is the enemy. Do not allow your hitch to fall below waist level. There are a few ways to safely ascend. You may use a sit-stand method where the hitch is tended at all times. Another method is to secure the hitch and wrench high using a lanyard or a chest harness. This is an example of a frog system. When experimenting with a new rope, a hitch, a tether, or a new style, remember to practice low and slow.